Okay, so now that we have the layout lines done on the board, we're going to use this device, the self-centering doweling jig, and that's going to guide our drill bit so that we can drill the holes for the dowels. What I need to do is I need to line up this mark inside this window, which is the 3/8 inch mark. I can see 3/8 right up here. I'm going to line up that mark with the pencil line that I made on the board. So I'm going to put this in here, look through the little window, and move it back and forth until the lines are lined up with each other. And then I'm going to tighten this in place. Now I'm going to take my 3/8 inch brad point drill bit. And notice this is a brad point drill bit with a little tip on the end right there, not a regular standard twist drill. I want to use the brad point drill bit. And when I drill the dowel hole, I want the depth of the hole to be just a little bit more than half the length of a dowel. The dowels are 2 inches long, so I'd like to make the depth of the hole approximately 1 1/16 to 1 1/8 inches deep. So what I'm going to do is put my tape measure right next to the drill bit, and I'm going to put a piece of blue tape at about 1 1/16 so that when I drill in and the blue tape gets to the surface of the dowel center, then I'll know that the hole is deep enough. So let me get a piece of blue tape here. It doesn't take very much. You don't have to put a big long piece of tape on there. Just a little bit is all you need. And I'm lining up the bottom edge of the tape with approximately 1 1/16 to 1 1/8. Doesn't have to be exact. So now when I drill in, when this tape gets even with the end of the doweling center jig, I'll know the hole is 1 1/8 inches deep. So now we'll put the drill bit into the drill. Hold on to the collar and tighten the chuck. And tighten it until you hear it click. There it goes. Plug in the drill. And drill the holes. Now when I'm drilling, I'm going to drill in a little ways and then back up slightly to let the chips clear. And you can see the chips are stuck inside the drill bit. Now I'm going to loosen this clamp, move it over to the other drill mark or the other layout line, and drill the next hole. Once that board is done, do the next one.